Hello viewers, welcome to Graphic Designing by Mishal.
It's not a game, it's a rich.
First of all, create a page in landscape order and place the logo in Illustrator dashboard. Now, take the ellipse tool from toolbar and draw a circle with Shift button pressed. Always remember, when you draw a Sharpie, its fill will none and its outline will always be black. Now, select the circle and duplicate it with Ctrl-C and paste with Ctrl-F. Now set them in the order showing on the screen. Now select the whole structure and give alignment center. Now again select the whole structure and press Shape Builder tool from toolbar and slide by pressing the circle and merge it. With the help of Shape Builder tool, the structure divided into two parts, and now it is easy to fill colors. Select only upper area and fill black, and now outline is known. Again same, select the down area and fill white color and align black. Now again take the ellipse tool and draw a small circle and copy it and drag upward area. The upper one is perfect, and then select the down one and fill black color. Your logo is done. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and do comment.